Hi DIYers, happy Sunday to everybody. So today I have been looking at the pool pump that went wrong. Anybody watched the last video about the solar panels will have had a brief hear about what happened. Run for a day, it's a second-hand set, run for a day. Next morning, or the next day when I went to turn it on, dead, nothing. I had a quick peek before I did the video about the solar panels. Thought I could see some oxidation, so thought that might be the problem. How I was wrong. So this is the main board. There's a secondary board underneath the housing that you turn it on and set the times and stuff, but this is the main board. So when I originally looked at it, I could see a bit of corrosion on some of it. It wasn't until today when I started looking into it properly. I removed the board and oh dear, hold on, I was just playing around trying to, oh dear, that has blown out a chunk of the track. There's some nasty looking burning out of that. And what I found was there was a slug had crawled in under the board, must have been sitting there, so when I turned the power on it got zapped and it's just fried the board. It's fried the half of the board that is the timer, the on off for the secondary panel. So I had a play, like I just mentioned, trying to repair that track and just see what happened. No go, still nothing from the top board, no lights, nothing at all. So what I've done is I had a quick chat with my all-knowing father, really knowledgeable when it comes to electronics. So I had a quick chat with him and went through what I thought, and he corrected me where I was wrong. Thanks, Dad. So this is what I've done. Please don't judge me on this. I've just rigged this up to try it to make sure the motor wasn't knackered. So what I've done is I've taken the neutral wire, linked it up down to the capacitor and also to the live to the motor. Out of the capacitor then goes to this one here, and then the live from the mains then links up to the blue to the motor. So with all them in, let me just reach up and plug in, listen up. We have fan motor running. So the motor's running, which basically means I'm not going to have display panel, I'm not going to have timers. I'm going to turn the switch on at the wall, the motor will start. When I'm done with it, bit pumping, I'll turn the switch off. Simples. Saves me buying another £150–200 pump for a feature that I probably wouldn't have used anyway, because I wouldn't. So there we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tidy this lot up, chop all these spade connectors off, solder it all properly, heat shrink it, make it nice and safe, get the covers back on, get it all plumbed in, and I'll show you it working once it's all back into the system. Speak soon. Right, quick update before I put the covers on. We've now soldered and heat shrunk all these connections so they'll be nice and dry and they're safe. Right, it's about 2 hours later. I now have everything reassembled. And here we go. Let me show you how I've got it set up. One sec, I'll flip over. So, still kept the skimmer basket, but I've taken out the pump at the bottom and I've just fitted a blanket plate in here. So out of there, ziggy-zaggy, we go into the pre-basket, the filter basket, pump, out the pump, sand filter, out the sand filter, and then we loop round into the panels exactly as they were before, and then back again into the pool. And there we go. So I know these solar panels aren't designed to sit this way, but with 2 young kids, lack of choice. When I redo this next summer, I'm going to build a small pump house, like plant room, put it all in, and then have the panels on the roof. So they're out of the way, they're safe, the kids can't climb on them and fall in the pool and all that stuff. But there we go, that's what we've done. Got it all working again. Very happy. Just got a couple of leaks to sort out now. But if you're liking these videos and you find them helpful, please do just give them a like and help me spread and subscribe if you want to see them all. Cheers guys, bye.